I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And this is a My Froggy Stuff mashup. This week, we are going back 10 years to our very first Darbie shows. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hey sister,
Yeah.
want to get some ice cream?
Sure. You know, there's a new place that just opened up called The Cafe. They have like veggie dogs and ice cream and cakes and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I think she's being nice.
All right, well, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah. Excuse me, can I get some veggie dogs?
We have veggie dogs, but I haven't cooked them yet, so you're just going to have to, like, wait. Oh. Well, then, can we have some ice cream? Yeah, I have ice cream, but it, like, melted, so I can't tell you that either.
Can we have some orange juice?
You can have some oranges if you want to, but, I'm not going to get it. You got to get it yourself.
Oh.
Wow.
I got it.
Okay, I'll just get us 2 orange juices then. Alright, how much would that be? Isn't there a sign out there? Yeah? Can you read the sign? Okay.
It's cafe.
The sign says, $2 for juice, and we have 2 juices, so that makes $4.
Hey,
So, here's $4.
Here's $4.
Oh, I paid for you.
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you, and,
Sister,
yeah.
you wanna get over?
You know, I still kind of want something to eat, so maybe we should go to their house.
I know. We can go to the grocery store.
The grocery store. Well, I guess so. Maybe we gotta go home to the house and cook something.
Yeah. Come on. In the pot.
You got the water in the pot. Okay.
Come.
Let me open the refrigerator, get the stuff out of there.
Put it in the pot.
Alright.
Just cook it. Okay.
Now these cook pretty fast.
Huh?
These cook pretty fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, darling.
We're cooking some veggie dogs, and the lady just said the veggie dogs are not cooked.
So we had to go to the store and get our own and cook our own.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
So, can we put some on for y'all too? Do y'all want some?
Yeah. Hey, sister.
Yeah.
Look at, hey, Mom.
Yes.
What's that cat's name again?
That is my old cat, Cuddles.
Do you want him back?
Well, I like the painting.
You just don't like the real cat?
Well, he's just can't really come back. He's old. We had him a long time ago.
Yeah. Hey, Mom. Hey, sister.
I think our veggie dogs are done.
Yeah, you done?
Well, I don't know. I think they're all mushy. I don't think we did it right. I think we messed it up. Oh, man. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna go take a nap. Oh, no, I'm gonna go watch some TV. Wanna watch some TV?
Yeah.
Oh, that was 10 years ago. Like, our very first, me and you playing together in Darbie show. Sophie and Chloe look completely different. Yeah. And your voice, wow, it was so adorable. I loved it.
What happened?
You're still adorable.
I know, I'm talking about my voice.
What was the deal? Like, you can see our hands. We didn't even care about not showing our hands. There's a giant car that just goes whoosh across the screen. And the crafts, wow, that was one of our first crafts, was that little cafe.
Yeah.
So that was our first one. Let's watch another.
What a day. What's that sound? Hey, there's a dog outside.
Let me see.
You think maybe we should go down there and get the dog? What do you think?
Yeah. He said,
Hey, little doggy.
hey, little dog.
Come here, little dog.
Come here. Good boy.
Yeah, I got it. You know what? I actually don't even think this is a dog.
What is it?
I think it's a red panda.
Hey, Mom. No, I'm sure it's a dog. Little itty bitty tail, little dog, stripes.
It's a little dog with stripes.
Yeah. He's alright.
Alright.
Come on, let's get him some food cooked up.
But you know what? I don't want to go to the cafe. That chick never helps us. And she always says her stuff is bad or it's not cooked. And
Hey, I have stuff for the dog is good. Give me a little hot dog. A mashed up hot dog.
you mean the veggie dogs that we messed up earlier?
Yeah.
You sure we should feed them that?
Yeah. I'm just gonna say, what's that? Sit, Arito.
Arito.
Yeah, his name is Arito. Sit, Arito.
Maybe we should ask Mom and Dad if we can have a dog first.
Yeah. There. There you go.
What happened to the dog?
Maybe he's a little sleepy.
Okay. Well, let's go ask Mom and Dad first.
Can we have a dog?
Yeah, we found this dog in the park and we wanted to know if we could have it. I don't know about having a pet.
Please, can we have a pet? Because we love dogs. We just found him outside. It was making that crazy looking sound. I'm sure it's a dog. Can we have a pet, please, Mom?
Sure. Why not?
Yay! Yay! This song is really funny. Isn't
Yeah.
it?
We have a dog.
Yeah.
What's his name again?
Marito.
Marito. What is a Marito?
Marito is a type of dog's name.
Okay. Well, our dog's name is Marito.
Whoa! Hey, it's for a moment.
I think that one definitely had a little bit of a storyline.
Not really.
Yeah, there was like a dog. They found a dog. It wasn't a dog though.
It was a red panda.
I thought it was a raccoon at first.
Raccoon.
And when they found a pet, and was that you making the pet sound?
I don't remember.
It's like, it was cute.
Marito was cute though.
Marita, wasn't the name Arito?
It was Rarito.
Rarito?
I think it started with an R. It was Arito. It was Arito. And then it was Marito.
Did you even realize that you changed the name?
I don't remember.
Where did you even get the name Marito from? I mean, what is that?
It's burrito with an M.
We're about to watch Darbie Show 3, and I'm a little nervous about this. I don't even know what to expect.
My dog is everywhere. Yes, they tend to do that, girls, and I told you, if you're gonna get a... Oh, it's licking me. Okay, someone come get the dog, please. Home sweet home. Ugh. After my day, I could just put my feet up on the coffee table and relax.
You're in my bed.
That dog won't stop barking. Can that dog be quiet, please?
No.
Sister, we really need to do something about that dog.
Okay, start barking.
Quiet. I'm going back to bed now.
Okay.
Keep it quiet. Hey! Really, I need you to keep it quiet. Oh, why is it still barking? Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go downstairs and put some earplugs in and take a nap. And that dog better be quiet.
Okay.
That one was about veggie dogs.
Yes, that wasn't about a dog.
So, hey, there was a dog in it.
Veggie dogs, so you're... no.
Yeah. Hey, I was working with a 3-year-old here, okay? But wow, 10 years, we have changed so much. You know, this is like great timing for that whole 10-year challenge thing. You know what's gonna be really cool? Is like 10 years from now when we look back at right now and we're like, wow, look at how far we've come. We were like amateurs back then, because in our Dollyverse we'll have like real spaceships
And like holograms, like the pocket hologram things.
That would be
Star
so
Wars.
cool. Thank you so much for joining us for this My Froggy Stuff mashup. Let us know what mashups you would like to see in the comments down below.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Gotta do something.